Is your airbrush covered with dried-on paint? Are you struggling to switch colors fast during projects? Well, Master Airbrush has got you covered. Introducing our Airbrush Cleaner, specially formulated to tackle all kinds of pigments, water-based paint, acrylics, inks, and even cake decorating colors. Perfect for switching colors or doing a deep clean. Just spray, flush, and you're ready for your next masterpiece. And it's non-toxic, low odor, and eco-friendly, meeting ASTM standards for a safe, worry-free experience. Keep your airbrush clean and extend its life with ease. Our premium formula even works in ultrasonic cleaners for a thorough, hassle-free clean. Ready to clean smarter, not harder? Get your bottle today and let your creativity flow. Scan here to purchase other Master Airbrush supplies. Smash that like button and please consider subscribing to our channel.